welcome to my channel. In front of you I have 2 pineapples. Why do I have 2 pineapples? Well, because you might have seen my other videos where I show you how to grow the pineapple top into a pineapple plant, and I have very good luck with it. I never had good luck with it like years ago when I used to try, because I did it all wrong, but doing it the right way, they are hardy and resilient. And when I mean hardy and resilient, I have had ones that have stayed in the glass cup that I'll show you all summer long. They've even sometimes, their water's dried out, then I found out I added water, they still did well. I just transplanted, like, you can leave them in water. I mean, they were in water longer than they should have been because our summer was so busy. But a few weeks ago, and I'll post a picture, these are all my new transplants, and so they were sitting in cups of water. And like I said, some of them the water had dried, and they're doing fabulously. So I transplanted all those. But before that, I have a big pineapple plant that produced a small pineapple. I think I have a video showing us cutting that one open, and then I rooted the top of that one, even that little tiny one. Now, I know in Walmart a few weeks ago, I saw they had pineapple plants with pineapples on them. So if you're looking to start, with a pineapple plant, you can get one at Walmart. My first one I got at Walmart, but then since then I've gone ahead and rooted my pineapple tops, and they turn out really well. Now I'll give you some tips here when you're rooting them. Okay, so when you are rooting your tops, or when you're looking for pineapples, what you want to do is pick, now I've had these like a couple of days here. Best thing is to take the tops off right away. Even if you're not going to eat the pineapple, you can still keep the pineapple without the top. I'm going to show you how to take it off. But these have been a couple of days, no problem, you're still going to do fine. Now watch what we do, it's very important. You take, let me just grab that off, this, okay, pineapple, and you twist it. You got to use some strength. Should come off like that, okay? And you'll see the pineapple top comes off like this. You can look at my other pineapple videos, and there's mango videos in the playlist, so check those out, because I love grow your own food. Plants give us oxygen, and I feel guilty throwing away, but I always look for nice green tops. Then let me just do this one. Okay, so like that. Next, what we're going to do, ouch, those are pointy. Okay, so let me grab this off this. We're going to start taking these bottom leaves off. And we're also going to trim that fruit. Now I'm going to show you when I first started with these, like I think in the old days, I think when I first started doing this years and years ago, I would just take it and throw it in water and be like, oh, it doesn't work. No, it's not going to work like that. Well, I never had luck like that. Then I researched and watched some people that knew what they were talking about, and I had great success. Okay, now the first time, I did this, I thought, oh, wait a minute. My pineapple already has good roots. I just must have to just hydrate them, because you see, like, hold on, let me pull these out. And I'm going to cut that fruit off. I don't know if this one has it so much, but some have it more than others. You'll see little roots here. No. And just to show you, I have one, some time for them to root, so don't get all nervous. And you know what? Sometimes even if this starts to get brown or black, you cut it off, and I've still had them root, so don't think it's a lost cause. But this one had a lot of those like dried kind of roots. That's not going to root. You're going to see there will be a nice little white roots forming. And so let's go ahead and take off. You can take off, don't be afraid to take off too much. I mean, I'm going to just go around, because that's going to let the roots take hold. Now I'm going to cut this fruit. Just like that, just even on the bottom. And what I'm going to do is put it, let me put it into this one. I try to use clear glass, but I've even used paper cups when I've had a lot and they still root. But this will let me see it and keep the water clean and changed. So that's one. Okay, now we'll do the other one. You can cut the fruit, you know, before or after. Okay. Again, you just peel. Ouch, these are a little prickly. See, this one has a lot of those roots. I'll show you in a second once I take off. I just thought, oh, those will just, you know, soften up and they'll be ready. But no, those aren't the ones that come. It will have all new growth. So like one like this, you see, I don't know, can you see all those roots there? Hopefully. Yeah, this one has a lot of those roots, like here. So I'm going to try to really get a lot of those little leaves off so we can have a good area for new roots to start. And then when the roots start, we just put them into soil. Okay, so this guy is good to go now. And then we just throw this away. And then these, you can put them in the fridge and you can cut them when you're ready. But try to eat them as soon as possible. Been having some great tasting pineapple. Okay, so this is one of my new transplants. And you can see it's growing really nice and long and tall right up here, beautifully. I've got to take it into another pot, but they come out really nice. And this guy must have gotten into one, but see, they're really hardy, like he's repairing himself. And I should just put a piece of tape there, which I'll do. And you see, they're very, very hardy. And believe it or not, I even had my big pineapple when we had to redo this house. It was sitting in this house, and this house wasn't even heated all the way. It made it all the way through the winter. It did well. But yes, you can do this too. So try it and let me know your results. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.